every mountain, there are 3 hand structures. First one is C major. Those are the ones that are more balanced with using finger 1, 3, 5. As you can see, C, E, G, that's C major, D major, D minor, E minor. Those are all the same hand structure using finger 1, 3, and 5. Okay, second one we want to find is this kind of hand shape. Finger 1 and 2 is closer. So we have G major, G minor. I put a triangle because that reminds me about finger 1 and 2 is closer. All right, so these are all for the ones that are like this. So look at G major, G minor, F major, F minor, G7. G7 has 4 notes, so you have a G major. Adding the 7th note away from G major is F. So that's why there's F in there, because F is the 7th note away from G. The last one is D7, same thing. Okay, there's a D major with a 7th. C is the 7th note away from D. So there you have it. That's the 2 hand structures so far. The last 2 that I did not put any colors in, those are this hand shape. So it looks like waving hello, so it's more open. You have A minor and A7, which is like that. So the new hand shape. So kind of push forward so your pinky can reach the black key.